So today we're going to take a look at how you can do basic math in Google Sheets. It's pretty simple. As you can see, we're going to talk about addition, subtraction, division, and times tables. So today, all you're going to want to do to start this is we're going to start with addition. All you're going to do is press equals, and we want to go over here and we're going to click A1. Then we're going to type the plus key sign on our keyboard. Then we click C, and we're just going to click tab to finish that. And as you can see, the answer is 10. If we do minus, same thing again, we start it off with equals, A2, we want to put minus in. You see it's trying to predict a pattern, but that's not what we're going for here. Click minus on our keyboard, you can click 5, or C2, tab, and you can see the answer for that is 5. And next we're going to click equals, we're going to click A3, and for divide we're going to use the backslash for the division symbol. We're going to click C3, and as you can see, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And if you want to alter any symbols, if you get them wrong, you can either double click like that, or if you just click on the cell, you can see very small up here, just under where it says 200% here. And finally, to do times tables, all we do is press equals. We're going to click A4. We're going to use the asterisk sign, which is typically above the number 8 on the keyboard, so shift and 8. And we're going to take C4, we're going to press tab. As you can see, we've now done 25. So that's how you do basic addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication in Google Sheets. I hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.